morning children. Today we'll start with new chapter, that is chapter 14, mensuration. We will see few formulas: area of rhombus, base into height. The diagonal of a rhombus divide the rhombus into two equal triangle. Area of triangle, that is half into base into height, that is also said as half base into height. Area of equilateral triangle, root 3 upon 4 into side square. Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus, there are two formula. If base and height is given, the first formula, area of rhombus is base into height. If diagonal is given, that is half first diagonal into second diagonal, that is said as half into d1 into d2, that is also said as half d1 into d2. Area of trapezium, that is half bracket start base 1 plus base 2 bracket close into height. Area of circle, that is pi r square, that is pi into radius square. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 and 3.14. According to the question, if it is given, we have to use either of this. Circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. If radius is given, 2 pi r. If diameter is given, it is formula is pi d. Is it clear? Now we will see exercise 14.1. It is very easy. You just see. First question. Find out the area of parallelogram whose base and height are as follows. Base is 15 centimeter. Perpendicular, that means height is 10 centimeter. We know the formula, area of parallelogram, base into height. Height means perpendicular. You have to multiply 15 into 10, that is 150 square centimeter. How to solve in the copy? I am showing you the first question. Second and third will be your homework. We have to find area of parallelogram. We know the formula, that is base into perpendicular, that is height. What is the base? Base is 15 centimeter into what is the perpendicular, that is 10 centimeter. If you multiply, you will get 150 square centimeter. Is it clear? See the question number 2. Find the area of parallelogram whose base is 12.6 centimeter and perpendicular is 7 centimeter. We have to find the area. It is also same. You can do it by yourself, I think so. You have to multiply 26.5 into 7. The formula is same. Question number 3 we will solve. See, find out the base of parallelogram. We have to find the base of parallelogram whose area is 390 centimeter square and the perpendicular is 26 centimeter. How? What two things is given? Area 390 centimeter square, perpendicular 26 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out the base of parallelogram. Base of parallelogram. The formula of base of parallelogram is area upon what it is? Height. Now, what is the area? That is 390. Height means perpendicular, that is 26. If you divide, you will get 15 centimeter. Is it clear? See question number 4. Find out the perpendicular of parallelogram with area 1200 meter square and base is 60 meter. It is also same. Base is given. We have to find perpendicular. Area, that means height of parallelogram, equal area upon base. You divide it, you will get the answer. 1200 divided by 60, that is 0, 0 if you cancel. Then with the 120 divide with 6, that is 20. 6 to the 12, 20. 20 meter is the answer. You do by yourself, try to do, you can do it. Now see exercise 14.2, question number 1. Find out the area of triangle. We have to find the area of triangle with base 12 centimeter and corresponding height is of 7 centimeter. We know the formula of area of triangle, that is half base into height, but what it is given? Base. Base how much it is given? 12 centimeter, height How much it is given? 7 centimeter. What is the formula? Area of triangle. That is half into base into height. That is half into 12 into 7. Cancel it. 2 1 2, 2 6 12. That is 6 7 42. Unit, what we are finding? Area. What is the unit? Centimeter. That is centimeter square. We know if you are finding out the area, the unit should be square. Is it clear? See question number 2. Find out the area of triangle with base 25 centimeter and perpendicular from the apse, that is height of length is 1.5 centimeter. It is also same. We have to find area of triangle, that is half base into height. Do the question number 2 by yourself. Question number 3. Find out the perpendicular length of a triangle where base is 6.5 centimeter and area is 26. That means we have to find the height. How to find the height? We will see this. Base is given 6.5 centimeter, area of triangle is given 26 centimeter. We know the formula of area of triangle. What is the formula? Area of triangle equal half into base into height. Area is given 26 equal half into base is given 6.5 into height we have to find out. That is 26 multiply 2, cross multiply it upon 6.5 equal h. That you can write as 26 into 2 into 10. You remove this decimal and write it 65 equal height. You cancel it, you will get your height. You cancel it with the table of 5. 5 13 is 65, 5 2 is 10, 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26. What is left in the numerator? 2 into 2 into 2. That is height equal 8 centimeter. Is it clear? See question number 4. Find out the area of triangle where base is 120 dm and height is 75 dm. Similar to the first and second question. Area of triangle, formula is half base into height. Base is 120 and height is 75. Put the value, cancel it, you will get. Is it clear?